Hello, welcome to my student support system. In today's class, we will discuss about leptospirosis. This lecture is in English, and if you want to study in Hindi, just click on I button and you will get link of Hindi lecture, or you can directly visit to the channel. Leptospirosis. Leptospirosis is a bacterial disease caused by Leptospira, and it is transmitted to human being by urine, through contaminated soil, food, with this urine of infected rodents especially, and or any other animal. And this animal, mainly it is a rat, which is found everywhere. Leptospirosis affects wild and domestic animals worldwide, especially rodents such as rat, mice and wolves. Most domestic animals, including cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, pig, and horses, may be infected through grazing in the areas contaminated by urine of the host or carrier host or reservoir. Leptospirosis is considered to be most widespread of the disease transmittable from animal to man. It has worldwide occurrence except in the polar region. It has high prevalence in the warm, humid tropical countries. The outbreak mostly occur as a result of heavy rainfall and consequent flooding. So we can say it is an environmental disease also. The disease is an occupational hazard for rice and sugarcane field workers, farmers, fish workers, miners, veterinarians, veterinary doctors or staff working in the animal husbandry department, dairy and abattoirs, sewer workers and military troops. Outbreak occur among those who are exposed to river, stream, canal, lake water contaminated by the urine of domestic as well as wild infected animal. What is mode of transmission of this disease? Direct contact to the skin, especially if it is abraded or the wound is there, or contact to the mucous membrane with soil, vegetation, especially sugarcane contaminated with the urine of infected animal or rat, or contaminated water such as in the swimming, wading in the flood waters, accidental immersion or occupational abrasion, direct contact with urine or tissue of the infected animal, occasionally through drinking of water and ingestion of food contaminated with urine of the infected animal. Because this agent, which is leptospira, it is secreted in the urine. What are signs and symptoms of leptospira? Common features are fever with sudden onset, headache, chills, severe myalgia, means pain in the muscles, especially calf and thigh muscles, and conjunctival suffusion. Other manifestations that may be present are diphagic fever. Diphagic fever means two phases are there. In first phase, fever is of low grade, then it will come down, and then again high grade fever. Meningitis, hemolytic anemia, hemorrhage into the skin and mucous membrane, hepatorenal failure, jaundice, mental confusion and depression, myocarditis and pulmonary involvement with or without hemorrhage and hemolysis. In areas of endemic leptospirosis, a majority of infection are clinically inapparent, means as asymptomatic or mild, which are difficult to diagnose. Clinical illness lasts from a few days to 3 weeks or sometimes longer. There are two phases in the illness. One is leprospasmatic or febrile stage, lasting 4 to 9 days, followed by convalescent or immune phase on 6 to 12 days. Recovery of untreated cases can take several months. Deaths are due to predominantly to the renal failure, cardiopulmonary failure and hemorrhage, and sometimes liver failure also. How we diagnose? After appearance of sign and symptom, the diagnosis is made by isolation of leptospiras from the blood during acute illness and from urine after first week. Culture takes 1 to 6 weeks to become positive, so it is not so important. But the IgM ELISA is particularly useful in making an early diagnosis as it is positive as early as 2 days. Treatment. Leptospirosis is curable because it is bacterial, so we can use antibiotics. Penicillin is the drug of choice, but other drugs like tetracycline and doxycycline, they are also effective. Along with antibiotics, symptomatic treatment is also given, such as painkillers, antipyretics, and rest has an important role. Then, main attention is given on prevention. For prevention, vaccination is the best system. Immunization of farmers and pets is recommended to prevent the disease. And then environmental measures such as preventing the exposure to potentially contaminated water. Water should be clean and drinkable. Reducing contamination by rodents, and we can do this by rodent control or pest control, and proper disposal of waste. Then health education. Yes, this is the best system in public health. Educate the public on the modes of transmission to avoid swimming and wading in potentially contaminated water, and use of proper protection when work requires such exposure. Then personal protection. Yes, protect the workers in hazardous occupations by providing boots, gloves, aprons or protective kits. Then chemoprophylaxis. Doxycycline as 200 milligram once a week can be given for preventing the leptospirosis in exposed persons in the areas of high exposure, or if the client is visiting to the endemic area. Other measures include the isolation, notification and early treatment of the patient. Thank you students for watching this video. For other such videos, you can subscribe the channel or like Facebook page, or making your notes you can visit below. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and join Facebook group Nursing Notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.